Hi, my name is Megan. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, then welcome back. If you cannot swear the title of this video and quite possibly also the thumbnail, my closet needs to be cleaned. It's just kind of gotten a little bit out of hand. I've been really busy. School started. I'm still trying to work out and stay in shape. I'm working 2 jobs and my closet has just gotten to be a bit much. So we're just gonna go through and clean it. I have a declutter a couple weeks ago. I think I posted it, so I'm not really gonna be like getting rid of a lot of things, if anything at all, honestly. So yeah, let's go ahead and see what we are dealing with. All right, so you walk in. I have my hamper, and then I just have stuff all over the floor, which it's funny because not all of this is dirty. In fact, a lot of this is clean clothes. It's stuff that, like, that skirt, like, I wore it once for like a couple hours, and so I just didn't feel like putting it back up, but it's not dirty, so I'm not gonna wash it, so it just ended up right there. And it's funny because most of my clothes are not touching each other on the ground, and that's because they're all different levels of, this is like doesn't really need to be washed yet, and I didn't want to like cross-contaminate. Being totally realistic, I'm probably gonna throw most of this in the washing machine, given like those I did not wear at all. I didn't wear those jeans at all, just like tried them on, decided I didn't want to wear them for the day. So we'll go through all that. I have some shoes on the ground here. That stuff I'm not gonna touch because that needs to, it's not my stuff, it needs to go. All my stuff is hanging. That, I don't know if you saw it in the closet declutter video, was an absolute disaster. It's much better now, so I'm not gonna worry too much about that. This is the fun part too, where it's just, it was really clean, it was really organized, and then I think I opened a couple packages in here and I was cleaning out the other room and I just kind of threw them in here for a little bit to like deal with them later, and I just never did. So I guess now is later. I guess let's try to sort this all out. Alrighty, again, this is stuff that does not need to be at my house anymore and that needs to go elsewhere. But other than that, here we are. The floor is the first of two differences. You may have seen I did declutter my shoes a little bit. I don't know if I showed you like a before of that. But then here I think is the biggest difference, where I just finally got my act together and cleaned that all up. Alright, so I like this in film. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, do all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.